So, ayun na nga guys. Ganun na lang kadali umorder ng PSA birth certificate online. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng PSA birth certificate online. So, if you're new to my channel, by the way, my name is Irish. Gumagawa ako ng travel and lifestyle videos, tutorials, reviews, at marami pang iba. So, if you're new to my channel, hit mo na yung subscribe button para updated ka lagi sa ating mga bagong videos. So, ayun na nga guys. At first, hindi ko talaga alam na gano'n na lang pala kadali umorder ng PSA birth certificate online. So, it's for you to avoid the hassle of going into a branch or the mall, standing in the long line para lang kumuha ng certificate na needed mo. And I actually needed it para sa document na asikasuhin ko in the future. It's really good kasi, like me, I'm a busy mom and also busy din sa work. So, I really prefer to do it online. It's also good kasi mabilis mo din siya ma-receive. So, I ordered it like Friday, na-receive ko siya ng Sunday. So, ganun kabilis. Like, less than 3 days, nakuha ko na siya. And I only paid like 265 pesos. I-update ka din nila from time to time kung nasa na yung in-order mo. So, it's super legit. So, itetext ka nila from the very start na umorder ka until makarating na yung order mong certificate sa bahay mo.
So here's the process, guys. You just need to visit psahelpline.ph, and here's their interface. So you could actually choose to order birth certificate, marriage, death certificate, or send more on this website. So just click the order now button and choose the certificate type. So you could either choose birth, marriage, senomar, or death certificate. So I'm choosing birth certificate. Just accept the terms and conditions and the consent, and then hit continue. So there's two options here. You could either request for your own birth certificate and also for someone else. So you could either order for your son, daughter, father, or mother. If you need a birth certificate for your spouse, please ask him or her to request for the certificate directly. So I choose my own birth certificate. Alright, so here are the details needed for the request. So your name, sex, birth date, valid government ID issued, the name that appears on your birth certificate, father, mother, birthplace, purpose of your request, and also your delivery address and contact information. Right, so here it goes. Just take note of this. Please make sure your name and birthday match the details on your ID. You are required to present the actual ID and accept the delivery personally. Our couriers will not release the order to anyone else, even with an authorization letter, and you are not allowed to request for a birth certificate if you are below 18 years old at the time of the application. But of course, at the end, once you submit this application, there's a form there that you could fill out for authorized person to accept the delivery of your birth certificate. So let's go. So just fill this one out. So female, single, and then type your first name here. Okay, and then next will be the middle name. Of course, this is not actually my middle name and last name. This is just for us to show you how to fill out the application. So your date of birth is needed. Okay, and then I'm gonna show Philippine identification or ID. Okay, so just make sure that everything is correct before you submit the continue button here. Once you hit the continue button, it will ask for your father's details. So if there's no father name in the certificate of live birth, you could actually just check this checkbox. Okay, of course, this is not the actual details, so hit continue, and then it will ask for your mother's name. Of course, the needed information will be your mother's maiden name. Okay, hit continue, and then it would ask for your birthplace. So use the place where you were born. So let's put here, of course, Metro Manila. Okay, and then Makati. Let's choose Makati. Okay, hit continue. And then purpose of the request, I'm gonna use this for passport. Okay, of course, we're from the Philippines. Okay, then hit continue. Okay, so there's two options here. So select the delivery option. It's either door to door or pick up. Okay, so here's going to be the delivery address. You just need to make sure that it's complete and the exact delivery address. Okay, of course, I'm not gonna put the exact details. Oh, or the real details, sorry. Okay. So let's just assume that it's from Makati. Okay. Galianes. And you will see here the estimated delivery date. So September 26, 2024. Today is September 24, 2024. So just put here your mobile number because you will receive notifications from them through text and also through email. Oops. Sobra kulang. Sobra. Okay, let's delete that. Okay, let's put an email address here. Hit continue. And then you will see here the details that you've actually filled out on the form. You could actually request up to 10 copies on this website, and it's 365 pesos for copy. Okay. So, are you personally the one who will receive the document, or do you want to nominate an authorized representative? I want to nominate an authorized person since this is going to be delivered to my mother's home. So, here are the persons that can actually receive your order. And just hit the I understand button and then hit continue. Okay, so here are the payment options. You could either pay through Visa, GCash, PayMaya, Bayad Online, 7-Eleven, Bayad Center, Palawan Pawn Shop. And then I'm gonna use payment using credit card. So just fill this one out. And then once you hit the submit button or complete order, you will see this notification. You'll also receive like a confirmation email from them about your order, and at the bottom you will see an authorized person to receive form. So what I placed there is my mom since baka wala ako sa bahay. Kasi hindi nila i-release yung delivery pag hindi yung nakalagay sa authorized form o ako yung mag-accept. Right, so here's the birth certificate that I requested. So of course I'm not gonna show you the details, it's too personal, but you will also receive a receipt that is attached on the birth certificate. Okay, so it's really easy and super quick to order it online.
So, ayun na nga guys. Ganun na lang kadali umorder ng PSA birth certificate online. So, hindi ka na magpapawis, pipila, magugutom para lang makakuha ng birth certificate na needed nyo. All you have to do is to visit the PSA website, complete all the details needed, and voila, it will be delivered to you door to door within 2 to 3 days. Okay? I hope you find this video helpful, especially sa mga moms na always busy sa work and sa pag-aasikaso ng mga kids. And yeah, if you're kind of new to my channel, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. So, see you on our next vlog. Bye!